Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Rosana. So for today's video, we're going to make another channel review, or we're going to make a YouTube estimated revenue using Social Blade. So we are now here in the channel of Rosana Ilyas. Ayan, she is a Filipina, and then her husband is from Pakistan. So as you can see, Rosana Ilyas has 364 upload video on her YouTube channel with 74,600 subscriber with a total video views of 11,288,254, and then country is Pakistan or PK. Channel type is not stated, and user created, or the channel was created March 4, 2018. So her social blade grade is letter B, and the social blade rank is 152,361. Subscriber rank is 291,208, and video views rank is 427,586, and the country rank is 2,866, and there is no channel type rank in here. So as you can see, her subscriber for the last 30 days is 2,800, so mababa siya ng 62.7%. so bumaba compared dun sa last month na I guess 9,000 yung kanyang naging na subscribers. And then her estimated monthly earning is $289 to $4,600, and her video views for the last 30 days is 1.1 million something, so it falls to 52.4% compared to the last month or last year, December 2020. So her total subscriber weekly is, so the graph is little moving, and her estimated yearly earning is $3,500 to $55,500. Then the total video views weekly, so the graph is okay and working good. So for those who are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, Rosana. So we're going to check her monthly earnings. So she have 289 US dollars. We're going to times it into 48 because that is the exchange rate here in the Philippines right now. So she got 13,872 pesos. So that is the minimum on her monthly earnings on her YouTube channel. So we're going to check the maximum. So she got 4,600 US dollars times 48, so she got 220,800 pesos. So compared to the last year, or the last year, she gained more than 1 million. So it falls down 52.4%. So I guess mga 2 million something or 2.6 million. That's why the percentage falls to 52%. So we're going to check out her estimated yearly earnings. So she got 3,500 US dollars times 48. So that is the minimum on her estimated yearly earnings. 3,500 US dollars times 48 is equals to 168,000 pesos here in Philippines. So not bad. And then that is the minimum. So we're going to check her the maximum of 55,500 US dollars for their yearly income or yearly earnings. So she got 2,664,000 pesos. 2,664,000 pesos. So that is her estimated yearly earning. So we're going to check her YouTube statistic. So as you can see, there is an estimated earnings, video views, subscriber counts, and or subscriber gains, and then video upload on her YouTube channel, the date in there. So as you can see, her estimated, she got $16 to $255 US dollars, $11 to $183 US dollars, then $11 to $175 US dollars. So anyway, for those who don't know, Pakistan is one of the top 20 with a high CPM, and obviously I guess most of the viewers is from the Philippines, and most of the viewers of Rosana Ilyas is from the Philippines. That's what I know. Ayan. And big shout out to Rosana Ilyas. Don't forget to subscribe her channel, guys. And we're going to check her daily average. So she get 94 subscriber daily with 38,544 video views. Then the estimated earning is $10 to $154 US dollars. So that is for one day. And then weekly average, so she got 658 subscribers with 269,808 video views with $67 to $1,100 US dollar estimated earning weekly. And then for the last 30 days, she gained 2,008 subscribers with 1,156,313 video views. Then the estimated earning is $289 US dollars to $4,600 US dollars. So not bad. So yung mga viewers niya, or those viewers, is from different part of the world with a specific country CPM. And for those who don't know, CPM stands for cost per meal, and Pakistan is one of the country with a high CPM, Australia, Canada, and USA. So as you can see, we are now here in monthly gain video views. Yeah, she gained for the last December of 2,694,301. So that is the reason why the video views fell into 52.4%. And then she gained 6 million something. That was last November 2020. So as you can see, there is a point in there every time you click the, or if you click the dot in there, it represents how many video views you gain in 1 month. Same as here in her monthly gain subscriber for Rosana Ilyas. So a big shout out to her, and I hope I pronounce her name correctly. And don't forget to subscribe her channel, and of course to my channel, guys. So that's for today's video, and I hope I inspire you on this channel review. And thank you for watching, and keep safe everyone. Bye bye.